The Jonsbo Z20 Mesh Black Mini Tower delivers an unusually compact micro ATX layout that still feels easy to build in, thanks to its thoughtful internal organization and smart use of space. Its thick steel construction and finely perforated mesh panels strike a great balance between rigidity, airflow, and a clean, understated look on the desk. Despite the small footprint, it comfortably fits long modern graphics cards and full-size power supplies, which makes it viable for genuinely high-performance gaming or workstation builds. Support for a 240mm liquid cooler and tall air coolers means you can run powerful processors without struggling to keep temperatures under control. The detachable carrying handle and roughly 20-liter volume make it practical to move between rooms or take to events without feeling fragile or awkward. Front panel connectivity with modern Type-C and traditional audio jacks rounds out a case that feels up-to-date and pleasant to use day to day.